how to log in Indeed account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your computer. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for Indeed login. After a few seconds, you'll get the search results. So here you have to go for Indeed job search option. And after going through it, you'll be able to see the official page of Indeed where you can search for jobs and also post your resume and all. So in order to log into your account, you have to go in sign in option with blue letter in the right hand side in the upper corner. So you have to simply click on it. So after clicking on it, you can either continue with Google, or if you are iOS user, then you can continue with Google, or you can also continue with Facebook. In case you don't want to continue with these medias, then you can go for entering your email address over here, and after entering, you can click on continue, and by doing that, you'll be able to log in. So by following this simple step, you can log in Indeed account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.